Good afternoon, guys, gals. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna go get some wheels for the Mamalona. This is the one we dropped a while back, a couple of weeks ago. So we're actually gonna go pick up some wheels. We'll look at them first, and then hopefully he likes them and we pick them up. Hopefully by the end of the video we'll have them on there too. So post that one up in a little bit. All right, guys. So we just pulled up. I'll probably put this clip. No, I will. I'm not gonna show you the new wheels until we do the little reveal. Just pulled up to his house. Got them right there in the trunk in the back. We're gonna go ahead and install them right now. See how they are. They're 22s. I think they're gonna look really nice on it. Hopefully they clear. So it looks nice. But we're gonna go ahead and put them on right now. It's already getting late too, man. It's already what? 5:30, almost 5:15. So we'll go ahead and put them on right now. Reveal in a little bit.
Ay, wait. Oh, they're gonna stay on there.
The stickers?
Yeah, they're still on the stickers. Now I want to break it.
Esa, güey, ya quedó.
Take this shit out of one.
Parking in the front.
Let's go drive it. A ver cómo queda.
A ver, vamos. The wheels, guys. 22s. Shit's a lot nicer too now. Fuck, that shit's hard. I like that. Quedó bien, güey. Oh, we got a little rub, huh? Completely different.
A ver si no se le sale la llanta.
Several days later.
Yeah, no, they haven't done it. Take off the cats. Straight pipe that bit. Too much rumble.
Yeah. I think if we put the headers, it'd be dope.
Yeah.
Just with the 3 headers.
The headers, take off the cats and put a resonator.
Yeah.
And I like the V8s because they rumble. You can feel that shit rumble. That's what I like. That's why I don't like. I like my truck, but I don't like the V6 part.
I like the V6 just because of the gas saving.
Yes.
But for the noise and all that shit, obviously the V8.
Yeah.
But I mean, listen, sounds good.
Fucking hard. Gracias, pa. Sheesh. That's just fucking the pipes. That shit resonates a lot more. Yeah, that's why I want to be 8. It is, huh? It's más gargle. I want to see the tits. I want to see your tits. Oh, man. With that plate, though. Ahí quedó. A placazo on the truck. Más o menos, ándale.